Valentine is coming. Where is your condom? Valentine is coming. Where is your condom?
Mnaenjoy na gari zien, mnaenjoy kuliko wenyewe. No sana.
Akitaka na mtu.
Aishu.
Shua na gari.
Aishu.
Hello family, welcome back to my channel. I go by the name Ampas the Venturer. So as you all know that yesterday was a World Condom Day, several university students are guided by Mama Welfare and also Muso took part in giving awareness within Moi University. By there was grand for the invitation, and I want to give out a special shout out to Mwangi Wanjiko, one of the video directors, and also to Mama Welfare Moi University. So guys, let's get to the roots of all how this thing started.
So guys, this is how we are going to unbox a packet of a carton of condoms over here. So we are unboxing a carton of condoms. Today is World Condom Day.
So guys, this is the whole team that we were hanging out yesterday, and given that I'm recording this on Valentine, I think that this is the best gift you can ever give to your girlfriend or boyfriend. If you love someone, I think you will never go wrong while having your nice moment. Or what do you think about it, guys? Let me get to know on the section comment below. So guys, let's get into this marvelous video.
In Africa, in Africa, can see African map over here.
To balance basi angalia condom utakaja
sawa. Mwas, kuna kitu kingine? Mnaenjoy na gari zien, mnaenjoy kuliko wenyewe. No sana.
Akitaka na mtu.
Aishu.
Shua na gari.
Aishu.
Akitaka na